the trail it is, Park. Okay. Trail. There's a customer of the trail trying to beat the personal best on the 1 mile trail loop. Current record stands at 3 minutes 57. Here's some parking, and there is a special day going on today. Do you know what that day is? You've probably never seen so many people in Hopkinsville, Kentucky. That is because of the total superluminal eclipse of the sun and moon. 2017 solar eclipse in Hopkinsville, Kentucky. There's a toilet there. There's a toilet, big toilet. I heard they serve you food on the toilet here, actually. I think they got a little cafe. Yeah, nice. Yeah, it's cool. It's cool. Hopkinsville police. Hopkinsville's police. Yep. He's gonna control some traffic a bit later when it gets a bit sketchy. Check it out. Trail it is Park. Pay homage. And here is the trail. There they go. People walking the trail there. The guy did look a bit teary-eyed when he set a foot on the trail. The Trail of Tears there. There's the bridge. There's a cotton mouth. Just in there. Yeah. And there's a copper head. Just went in that hole. Yeah. Trail it is.